Hi, Abby. My name's Jen Travers, and I'm the instructor for EWC, the Writer's Craft course. You asked me in your email about calendar activities, and I just wanted to show you what you might be talking about. Please clarify or email me back if this is not what you're looking at. So one of the first things I want you to do is make sure this widget is done and uploaded, that you access your Google Apps account. If you have problems doing that, let me know. But really you were asking about the calendar. So this is on the course homepage. So once you log in, you can go to the course homepage. This is the news feed in which I'm talking about all the different assignments that we're working on. This is for the newest ones. So the calendar, if you aren't seeing it like this, you need to be seeing the calendar, and you'll see these dots, and when you see those, that means there's something due on those particular days. So one example is if I click on the 22nd, then I can see the assignments that are past due. If I'm to click on Monday to see what's going on, now I've referenced it here as well. I'm just doing this as a quick read through, but you can click on each of these. On Monday, these assignments are due, these assignments are due. So that's what the calendar is. And I just wanted to quickly show you on Monday, as you're working through the content, you can actually access these through here. If it's a Dropbox, then you can actually access them through here or here. However, just wanted to show you that when you have the calendar and you're like, oh, it's due on Monday, then you can actually click on this and this becomes your Dropbox link. So you can actually participate in this discussion by clicking on the calendar and the calendar links. Hope that helps. Let me know if that's what you were talking about.